on, guys? We are here at this one here. Got a little bit extra help today, so he's picking up these sticks. He's been having a lot of bad storms. Got some extra sticks down, so he's picking those up for me. You can kind of see up there, it's pretty dark, and I picked up a new one. Trying to do all this one. Picked up a new one, so now I'm gonna try to get 3 done. What? The string? All right, I'll get it. So now we got to try to get all 3 done today before the rain. Hopefully we can manage that. And yeah, get y'all some footage. Check back. It's dropping rain. I hate it. But anyway. Hey, come on! It's dropping rain. I got them over there blowing down. Down right there. He's trying to show him. That's a little cousin, my little nephew. But I'm trying to show him a little bit here and there. I'm gonna strap everything down. And as long as it's just dropping here and there, I'll be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and go at least to the next one. Try to get that one done. I told the other one, told the other guy at the new place that I'm gonna try to get there today. If not, I'll be there after I finish my Saturday route. I'll be there. Mainly because I'm not gonna go over there. I'm not gonna go over there tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be in a different town. Whose quarter?
I found it.
Oh, good job. But anyway, we're gonna try to get this one. Well, I know we got this one, but try to get the next one, and Lord's will, we'll be able to get the third one. But I don't know. So one good thing, we have to go that way, so it's pretty clear. It's pretty clear that way. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see. So now I am done here, strapping up, waiting on him to get that last little bit blown down, and we are on to the next one. Hopefully we better get it done too. So stick around. Well, we got bad news. It not even a mile away from where we were. This is what we got. So yeah. Looks like this video is gonna be extended into tomorrow. So I'll have a 2-day video. So anyway, yeah, it's right up there. I can't get to it. It's pouring down. It ain't pouring down yet, but you can see it right there. It is blood. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so we got one done right here. So I'm probably not going to record a whole lot today because we've got scattered thunderstorms everywhere, all over today. So I don't know. That one mainly is all in the backyard. I was surprised because right up here, like literally 3/4 of a mile, maybe a mile up the road. Always read safety glasses. But anyway, had a tornado come through. So I was worried about them to make sure they was all right from the tornado because I know how devastating them things can be. But anyway, we on to the next one. The next one is going to be a new property because it's on the way to the other ones. So I'm the furthest out right now, and I'm going to work my way back home. So that's the way it's going to be today. And after I get done with this one, I am going to swing by the house and pick up my boy, put his behind the work again too. So y'all stick around. It's gonna be an interesting day dodging rainstorms. And we'll see what we can get done. Pulling up at the next one. Just want to give you a little quick shot of it real quick. Now, all right, right here, right beside me, that is not part of it. That's a lot of stumps and stuff like that. But you can see right up here, you kind of see, you know, like you got some fennel weeds growing up around the house. I'm gonna try to get it cleaned up as good as I can. Shouldn't be too bad, so we'll get you an after shot in just a few minutes. I'm not gonna record here because I'm, like I said, in a time crunch. It's pretty much gonna be pictures. As long as if it's not raining when I go to the last house, I'll record there. But right now, I don't want to take any chances. I gotta get this done. Alright guys, so we got this one done. You see, you don't see all them dog fennels around the house no more. It turned out pretty good. It was a lot more than I thought, than I actually quoted for. But, you know, it is what it is. I messed up on this one for sure, as far as the quote, because mainly I walked over here and in the back, and I did not go over there on that side, and that side was the bad side. I didn't know it. So, lesson learned, our entire property, walk around it. So, all right, go to the next one. I'm gonna stop and get some lunch and head to the next one. I'll see y'all there. that's it. I had amateur back there doing the recording, but this is it. We're done. Check that out. Got a video. I did that the other week, so I'll leave that up top here. Doing it the easy way. So we're done. Hopefully we're going to look at one, give a quote, and yeah, we're probably going to be done for the day. If not, I'm gonna record the next one for another video probably. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell them what to do.
Like and subscribe.
And what else? What to do with the bell?
Click it
For what?
for your
For your push notifications, so you can see when I upload a video. Alright guys, hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.